Ayun, so guys, magbabakasyon kami for 2 days. For kasi po medyo you know, say hi first.
Say hi first.
Hi. So guys, mag-birthday si baby, so we decided to check in. And madam. Hey. So guys, samahan nyo kami.
Give her na, give her.
We will tell you kung saan kami nag-check-in and magkano po ba yung kagastusin.
Do you know how much it is?
I don't know, I don't want to know yet. But later guys, we will tell you. So guys, let's go. Yan na. Parang di ko gagawin. Uy. How are you, boss? Yan na. Yan na. Yan na. Uy. So guys, BCC baby. So guys, ito yung hotel. Yan. Ganda nung chandelier. Oh. Yun guys. Oh.
Guys, sobrang mahal!
Do you think it will be worth it?
We have to make it worth it.
You have to make it worth
So
it.
let's not fight.
I mean, it's not for us.
Let's not fight.
It's not for us, it's for this lady. Ayan na. Oh, where are you going, Aliana? Do you know where's our room? 604. Wait. I think here. Aliana, here. Come on. So guys, ang room natin ay 604. Uy.
Deluxe suite because Ate said you're my kabayan.
What?
Ate gave us deluxe suite because
Oh,
Ate said
shit.
you're my
This
kabayan.
room.
This 604. And then Ate said that she offered us late check-in and she offered us even if we check out, we can until the day end, we can use the facilities.
Oh, mashallah.
Because Ate said we are kabayan.
We are kabayan. What do you want? Okay na. Okay guys, and this is the moment of truth. Say Bismillah. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Wait, what? Wow, not even there. No. Okay, light is on. First light. So guys, yun, wala pa. Oh. So guys, mirror here. Okay. Paintings. Uy. What is this?
It's like an apartment.
I don't know. So,
Aliana, you can run.
can run. Bathroom light.
No, look, it's look, let's keep Aliana here. Kalas.
So, guys, yung washroom. Open naman. Washroom. Yun. Uy, tapos, ito na yung room. Chandelier. Sa bedroom. Para saan to? Yun. Ayan. Ito guys. Ayan. Wait lang tayo ha. Okay. I don't know, bro. So, may small dito. Yan. Pang kape. Hindi ko alam kung libre. Oh, mini mart. Oh, cups. Glass. Oh.
Look, there is a chiller. I need to keep her
Yeah,
cake.
it's here. Chiller is there.
Where is the balcony?
Dear Nafisa, thank you for choosing Dukes the Palm. Yes, sir. Where are you? Oh, balcony. Let's go back balcony. Come here. Do you like? You like? Nice one? Nice. So guys, ito yung... This is the main master's bedroom. Okay, what is that? Is that the balcony, boss? Uy, nagdiyan na siya.
Wow,
So, what is this? Hello. So guys, may balcony po tayo dito. Oh, boss. You're so rich. Aliana, careful. So guys, ito yung balcony natin. May mga neighborhood tayo dito. Okay. Nice. So, ano siya? Oh, don't go up. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside, Anela.
So,
Come, baby.
wait. She's already inside. You like? Nice? Oh, be careful! Someone doorbell up.
It's our luggage.
Luggage. So, guys, yun yung luggage natin. Wait lang. Ah, Rose. Ah, yeah. Yes. Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you, bro. Thanks so much. So, guys, yan. Ang bihira naman, no? Ito na. Andito na yung...
No, it's
Oh.
like an apartment, you know, Aliana can just sleep here, and then we can just sleep there.
Where?
And then we can just sleep here, we can just sleep there.
Nice. So guys, yan. Nice, Aliana. You like it? Did you like it? Oh, what is this chair?
It's like you can
Like a
watch
movie,
TV.
yeah. Can we see maybe there's a Netflix we can watch?
I don't think so.
I think, Aliana, go sleep na. So guys, yun. How do you...
Wow! That's
Love.
like to use this, its charges.
Of course, there. Charge.
Hey, hello, Aliana, soy.
Nothing is free, bro.
Aliana, no. That is for moju.
So, how do you rate this? 1 out of 10. This room, love.
We can also this one.
So guys, yan. Baby, nag-enjoy na ng vacation niya. Aliana? Aliana? You like it? Nice? Parang nasa bahay lang eh. So guys, si baby. Another room. So guys,
Her own room.
may dalawang bedrooms to. May pambata sa hindi. And tulog na si baby. And it's our, naman, oras na namin mag-asawa. Tutulog na kami. So ngayon, order na natin. First order dyan. Yan, simple mo. Saka guys, alam nyo ba na may yeah, we're so hungry. What do you eat? You're the boss.
What do
Okay.
you mean?
Ganito.
What do you want to see?
So guys, yun yung Go.
You can just do back camera, love. Apartment.
they will call, no? Ay, guys, ano kaya magandang gawin ito after kumain? Yeah, after we...
Guys, actually, don't show me because I'm not wearing scarf.
Okay.
Actually, guys, we have like so many things to do. It's already almost 12. Like I want, because Aliana is sleeping, I want to edit 2-3 videos, our videos that like collab videos, and that will take time. I want to take shower. I want to sit in balcony, relax, have coffee.
What coffee in the evening?
Yeah, like you know, I drink coffee
We
in the
just
night.
started. The problem is, guys, medyo yun na nga. Late kami nag-check-in, so...
Because of your shift.
Just part of it, but it's okay. We just have to think positive na, you know. We have how many first night and then tomorrow also, right? So tomorrow we have another night. So 2 nights kami dito. So our plan tomorrow, wake up in the morning. What time you wake up? 8 o'clock. So after 8 o'clock, tapos breakfast. How many hours do you stay in breakfast? Last time kasi guys, yun gano'n nangyari. Nag-open sila ng 8, tapos si Madam is masyadong barat yan. Umuwi, matapos kami ng breakfast, 11 na. Sabi niya kumain daw ako nung kumain hanggang lunch na. So budget. Let's see tomorrow, guys.
Let's see, you ordered now.
Yeah. Anyway, so guys, gutom na kami. Late na rin. Ara, 11 na po. 11 PM na ng gabi dito. So, na kami medyo sleepless. Medyo pagod na. Pagod na po. So, wait lang tayo sa burger natin. Ay, sa ano natin. Sa order natin, guys. Tapos kakain na kami. By the time, wait lang. So guys, baba muna tayo. Andiyan ang ating pagkain. Gutom na si Mrs. Ganito pala yung ano ngayon, elevator guys. Digital na rin. Reception. Type C. Okay. C. Galing. Paano to? Bobo ko yata. Wait lang guys. Ayun, pwede na pala. So, wala siyang button sa labas. Ay, di sa loob. So, kailangan mo lang maghintay. Vintage. Guys, andito na ang ating pagkain, Jollibee. Balik na ulit tayo. 6th floor. Taxi again. Shoon. Antay lang. Nagutom na. So guys, by the way, itong hotel kung saan kami nag-check-in, British siya, like concept. So talagang medyo puro Breton yung mga nasa paligid. Bawal lang i-video kasi baka ma-report tayo. Oops, ito na tayo guys. 6, 4. Oops. Yeah. Gutom na si Madam. Pala dapat. Kaparehas kasi, kaya medyo nakakalito. Baka maling pinto, mapasukan ko. Atay. 604. Let's see. Saan na yun? Ito pala. Saan ba dito? Huh? Hindi. Tama nga. Paano ba ito? Tayo. Ano mo nga siya? Hindi pa lang. Yun o.
Wow.
No rice daw si madam, okay.
Konti lang.
Yun na guys. 2 rice, gravy, and manok. Wala plate lab.
Make that back as a plate.
I can just eat here. Guys, kain muna tayo. Gutom na kami. Oops. 2 rice, manok. Kaya pala kami plato. No plate. So, just... We can take West, no? Before West? Too late. Dami pagkain. Which one is better, KFC or Jollibee? From Bida. Winner.